Hi, James here from Ronnie Deutsch's YouTube channel. Active members of the military face different tax challenges than the average American. The U.S. tax code is complicated and difficult to understand. Fortunately, most military personnel qualify for free tax assistance from VITA, Volunteer Income Tax Assistance Program. But if you are looking for some simple tax tips, here's what you need to know. Military personnel are not required to file tax returns while away on duty. Once you return home, you can apply for an automatic extension of up to 180 days. In addition, if you are serving in a combat zone, you don't have to pay federal income tax on any income made during that time. Military personnel often need to travel to fulfill their duties. If you have to travel more than 100 miles, all unreimbursed travel expenses can be deducted from your taxable income, and if you need to permanently relocate to another station, the IRS will even let you deduct some of the moving expenses. Some military officials are required to wear certain uniforms wherever they go, which can result in a hefty dry cleaning bill. Luckily, most members of the military can get these fees reimbursed or waived completely. And if you are forced to pay these fees out of pocket, then you can deduct all of the cost. If you are part of the military, thank you for your service, and see you next time on Ronnie Deutsch's YouTube channel.